This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your phone that's stuck in safe mode. So there's a couple different options that you can try. A lot of times in the top left you're going to get a pop-up like notification that says you're in safe mode. Now it might not happen right away, so you might have to wait like a few seconds. But it'll say you're in safe mode. You can just tap here, and this is on my Samsung phone. And then you can just go to turn off, turn off safe mode. So you can see you're in safe mode down here. Another thing you can do is just reset your phone. So if you go to restart your phone, go to the power button and the volume down. So whatever volume button is closer to this power button, just hold that down. So I got my power button and my volume down button. This will open up the power menu. I can just go to restart right here. But just continue to hold that down and your screen will go black. And it'll restart it automatically. Or swipe down from the top right. Go to power. We can just go to restart or power off right here. So another thing that you could do is just restart your phone or factory reset it. So we go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to about phone. There should be options in here to reset your phone. So if it still doesn't work, you can back up everything on your Samsung phone. Unlimited storage for 30 days, it pretty much says. We have external storage backup. So backup with the temporary cloud. You can reset all the settings and you can reset your phone completely and then just go from there. If not, you could try starting up your phone into the recovery mode as well. And it really depends on your model. Like some of them are very easy. You just have to hold down the power button and the volume down and then it'll restart back into it. So on my Samsung phone, what I need to do is plug in a computer cable. And when it's plugged into my computer, I can hold down the power button, the volume down, and I can go to power off right here. And when my phone is powered off, I can just hold down the power button and the volume up, and it'll get me to that recovery screen. So let's wait for it to power off. I think it's powered off. So let's hold down power button, volume up. So this is going to be different on your model phone. Yours could be way easier. So I'm just going to hold these down and it should bring me to that recovery screen and I can factory reset it from here. Otherwise I could just try reboot system now and see if that gets me out of that screen for recovery mode. So a couple different things that you could try out. You're not stuck. And you can always try just updating the software after you do this too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.